What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. I know it's been a long time, but we here, man, with another video. And I'm pretty happy about this, man. I'm real happy because I've been looking for these things for a while, and it finally came. It finally came to me. I finally got them. And what I'm talking about is these right here. Hold on one second. I'm finna show you. I'm talking about these right here. See them guys, man? Let me get some light up in here. See them guys, man? Monte Carlo is bucket seats. I've been looking for these guys for a minute. I've been looking for at least just a while, man. Every time I try to get them or buy from somebody, they always trying to charge me hella money, man. They want $700, $600, you know what I'm saying, for these seats. Especially, you know, for me, I'm in Atlanta, so you know they put tax on everything around this month. But they want $600 for them seats, you know what I'm saying. And when I first got my SS, it was a bench 60-40 split bench column shift, and I switched it to a flow shift with bucket seats. But the bucket seats I got was from a Cutlass, man. They came from a Cutlass, but they were so clean, and I got them from a partner of mine. He gave them to me for like $125, dog. I couldn't turn it down, and they clean, you feel me? So I put them in there, and that's what's in there now. That's what's in there now, these bucket seats. You feel me? But they about to come out, and I'm gonna sell them guys, and I'm gonna put them in there. But the reason for this video is because we're gonna prep these. We're gonna clean them and prep them a little bit to put them in the SS, man, and see how it looks. So y'all just stay tuned. You know, just follow along. So yeah, just got them vacuumed and cleaned. I'm about to hit them with a little sanitizing spray right here. Hit them with a little sanitizing spray. You know, I'm gonna go on and just try to spray them, keep them a little, you know, sanitize them, get the germs off, because I think they've been sitting outside or somewhere. Whoever I bought them from, they had them outside, so I got the dust, so I want to spray them. Spray them. You know what I'm saying? Just try to keep a little something going on, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit, ain't too much. Prep them on up. We're gonna let that dry on. While that sit there, I'm gonna get these brackets off before I go to the next step. So cut y'all on in a second, hold on. YouTube, we back. So vacuum the seats, sanitize the seats, everything looking good. Prepping them to get them in. I took the brackets off. I had some brackets, I took them off, had to paint up on it a little bit. I'm gonna put the new tracks on that I got on my original seats, my other bucket seats. So what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna color these seats. Well, I'm gonna color this one seat a little bit with this right here. This is what we use to get them seats together, man. That's Sim. It's color matching. Sim is they match good for the Monte Carlo. So yeah, this is what I got spread on there. And hopefully it'll look better than what it is. I actually did some door panels before with this and sold them, and they turned out pretty good. So I'm hoping the seats turn out pretty good. We'll have something until I get them done over. Well, I ain't gonna get them done over. I'm gonna order new covers, but for now we're gonna ride on this. You know, I know a lot of people be crying, oh, it's gonna bleed, it's gonna be this. Once this stuff get on, it's stick, man. So this is what we're going with. So y'all just hold tight. Cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, yeah, YouTube, we back. This after one. Well, I take that kind of like two times passed over, just in the same pattern that it is. You see the seat I sprayed, and it's the old seat. You see that? Don't look worth a net. You know what I'm saying? Got the light over here. You see that? The old seat, and it's the one I sprayed. It looked way better. But like I said, I only did one. Really about 1.5 pass. I'm gonna do another pass on it in the opposite way. But it looked good already. Cut y'all back on in a minute. 2 coats later, and this is what you have. See that? You see that? Look real good. This camera ain't doing it justice, but they look very good in person. This camera ain't doing it justice, but that's what we got, man. I'm gonna finish prepping this other one, paint both of them, and I get them in the car. Yeah, YouTube, we back. I wanted to show you guys the final product. It's been maybe a day or two. One of them, I can't remember if it was yesterday or the day before, but anyway, I want to show you the final product. I pretty much was trying to, I wanted to clean the brackets. I wanted to paint the brackets and then put them on the seat and then put them in the car. That's why it took me a little minute. So I'm gonna show you the final product. I'm happy with it, man. So here we go. So yeah, that's it, man. See them seats looking nice up in there, man. I set that light up in there. It's a little dark in here, but we got seats in here, man. The maroon guys. Everything looking good right now. And we on to the next, man. That look way better. That look way better. Come on now. We up now. After that, you know what's going on. We in the streets. We in the streets, man. It's one of the old seats right here. I had cut the seats in there, like I said, because I just had to get some bucket seats. I took them bench seats out. That's what we got. But anyway, man, like I always say, man, them shops get bagged up. You don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself, man. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. It's the end of the video. We out, man. Stay tuned for the next one, man. Let's go.